Planning a document, even a brief email message, is essential for effective communication. It helps you to decide what to say and how to say it, and it helps fix the 4 main sources of miscommunication. We either undercommunicate or overcommunicate and then blame our readers when things don't go as planned. In most cases, this is because we believe we have done a better job of communicating the message than we have. We show a blatant disregard for the perspective and expectations of our readers. This is because we write what we want to say rather than thinking about our readers. We think what we have written is already pretty clear, when in fact ambiguity is everywhere, and most of what we write is open to multiple interpretations. This means that our readers need to try and figure out what we really mean, and more often than not, they guess wrong. We believe our readers will forgive sloppy and unstructured writing because they are as time poor as we are, when in fact they are judging us negatively for this sloppiness. Planning does not have to waste time. In fact, if you have a set method to plan, it can actually save you time.